Hello students, today's topic is cancer. As we know, cancer is one of the most dreadful diseases and is major cause of death all over the globe. Now, what are the causes of cancer? First cause of cancer is that the normal cells, they transform into cancerous cells by various agents called carcinogens. Carcinogens are the agents, that is the physical, chemical or biological agents which are able to cause cancer are called carcinogens. These carcinogens, they transform normal cells into the cancerous cells. The other cause is ionizing radiations like X-rays and gamma rays, non-ionizing radiations like ultraviolet radiations. In the presence of ultraviolet radiations, DNA of the organism is destroyed, it gets denatured or it gets ionized. Ionized DNA is able to cause more transformations. There are present chemical carcinogens, for example, tobacco present in the smoke of cigarettes and BDs. It is a major cause of cancer. Another cause of cancer can be oncogenic viruses. These oncogenic viruses, they have viral oncogenes. Genes which are able to cause cancer, they are called oncogenes. So oncogenic viruses, they have viral oncogenes which are able to cause cancers, and there are several genes which are called cellular oncogenes or the proto-oncogenes, which are identified in the normal cells. When these genes, they are activated, they become carcinogenic. So the causes of cancer are transformation of normal cells into cancerous cells by carcinogens. Carcinogens can be physical, chemical or biological agent. Ionizing radiations like X-rays and gamma rays. Non-ionizing radiations like ultraviolet radiations. Chemical carcinogens like tobacco. Oncogenic viruses, which are the viral oncogenes, and the cellular genes which are present in normal cells, that is cellular oncogenes or protogenes. They are activated and they become cancerous in the presence of carcinogenic agents.